Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow your alliance members to view your monarch name on the Evony application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then tap on this more button on the right side. Click on settings, tap on options, which is the third button. Then you should scroll down until you can find this alliance gifts and treasure view settings section. And within this section you can find one feature, which is this allowing your alliance members to see your monarch name when they are sending you alliance gifts and treasure. So if you would like to enable this feature, all you have to do is tapping on this button on the right side next to it. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.